Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Dasmas. So, if you are a front-end developer preparing for interviews or trying to build scalable applications, okay, so this series is for you. Okay, so in this video we will understand the front-end system design, why we need it, okay, and what it should include. Okay, so let's so whenever people hear the term system design, okay, they immediately think about back-end concepts like databases, load balancers, caching, or microservices. But system design is not just for back-end engineers mainly. So front-end developers also need system design skills because building scalable front-end applications is much more than simply writing components and you can say styling pages. Okay, so in this video, I will explain what front-end system design actually means. Okay, and why it matters, and means what you should learn to become better at it. Okay, so think of you have a very big React.js project with hundreds of files. Okay, components everywhere, lot of utility functions, helper functions, multiple duplicated API calls. Okay, and state management handled in, you can say, multiple different ways. Okay, state management. Okay, so means the project will work, but as the features grow, the code base becomes harder to maintain, slower to develop, and painful for teams to collaborate. Okay, if multiple teams are working, it will be very painful for the teams to collaborate on it. So this is exactly the problem front-end system design solves. Okay, so we'll see what exactly front-end system design is. Okay, so if I go with the definition, so front-end system design is the process of designing large-scale front-end applications in a structured and scalable way. Okay, this is the process where you will learn how to design a very large scale, okay, very large scale front-end applications. And along with large scale, these applications, mainly the code should be structured, application should be scalable. Okay, so what exactly this front-end system design includes mainly? Okay, the first thing is architecture. First thing is architecture. Architecture means how should the project be organized. Okay, how the project should be organized. Then is say state management. Okay, how components should communicate, how should we manage states, whether we should means whether we should use some context API or Redux or anything else. Then is performance. Your application should be optimized, should perform well. API layers means you how should the API calls be managed, how authentication should work, and the most important one, okay, how do we make the application scalable as the team and the product continue to grow. Okay, if your team increasing and product is growing, so how to manage, how to scale the application. Okay, so next we will see what's the difference between backend and front end system design mainly. Okay, backend and front end system design. Okay, so backend system design focuses on problems like how to store data. Okay, how to scale APIs. Okay, how to manage server, and how to distribute traffic like load balancing. Okay, load balancing. and front end, if we talk about front end system design, front end system design focuses on a different set of problems. Okay, so how to structure the UI. Okay, how to structure the UI, how to handle the re-rendering. Okay, optimization, how to cache the API response. Okay, how to cache the API response, and how to keep the interface fast and maintainable. So in simple terms, you can say backend simply ask how do we serve millions of requests, and front end simply ask how do we create an applications that millions of user can interact very smoothly. Okay. And if we talk about some real life examples, like suppose you are building a chat application. Okay, you are building a chat application. So you need to manage thousands of messages. Okay, thousands of messages and some real time updates, and many other features as well, like whether the message is read or not, say unread counter. And another example is like building an e-commerce app. Okay, building an e-commerce app. So for this, you might need say filtering of products, sorting. Okay, so all these are examples of where means front end system design mainly solves these problems. Okay. F- so these are some real life examples where front end system design plays a very important role. And the next come is like what kind of interview questions are being asked related to front end system design. Okay, so like uh, design a autocomplete search. Okay, design infinite scrolling, design a notification system means like toast. Okay, or file upload system where you can upload the files. Okay, so these questions are not just for say these are not just for code only. Okay, these are not just for code. These questions will check your overall, you can say, architectural thinking, how you put the components, how you manage the states, all these things this will cover. Okay, so in this series we will cover everything needed to understand front end system design from scratch. Okay, we will discuss folder structure, state management, performance optimization, authentication system, any chat or dashboard application architecture. Okay, and real front end interview system design questions as well. Okay, yeah, so yeah, that's all for this introductory video. So if you want to really become a strong front end system engineer, this series is for you. So in the next video we will discuss the how to manage the best folder structure for a scalable React application mainly. So subscribe to the series channel as well, like the video. Thank you and have a good day.